JDS Flying Canuck here. Wow. Can't see it here really, but that's all you can see on the top of this. There's a transparent area on top of the brick there. That's ice. And look down there. Our subway system in Ottawa today shut down on several tracks due to the ice. It started this morning at around, I think about 8 a.m. And there's a lot of people sliding off the road and everything like that. Bad. It's starting to melt now. I can start to feel it dripping off certain areas. So once the rain comes, this will all melt off, right? Which will happen probably overnight to the morning, hopefully. Anyways, that's JDS Flying Canuck. I just thought I'd show you the freezing rain we got here in Nepean, Ontario, Canada. And again, it has caused havoc with the subway systems. The tracks and everything. People were abandoned or stranded on the tracks, and then they had to be taken off. JDS Flying Canuck, over and out. Bye-bye.